Hello friends, today's topic is coronavirus. As on 2nd September 2021, the total number of cases are 21.7 crores and the total number of deaths are 45.1 lakhs. These are officially recorded cases across the globe. Below are the stats for top 5 countries as on today. Friends, I know we are all hearing the words epidemic, pandemic and also using it from recent times regularly. Do we really know what exactly it means? Let's start the video. What is an epidemic? An epidemic is a disease that affects a large number of people within a community, population, or region. Now we'll see a pandemic. What is pandemic? A pandemic is an epidemic that spreads over multiple countries or continents. Hope it's clear now. Okay, moving on straight to the point. In December 2019, there was a cluster of pneumonia cases in the city of Wuhan, located in China. Some of the early cases had reported visiting or working in a seafood and live animal market in Wuhan. Seafood and live animal market are also called public market or a traditional market, popularly known as wet market. The term wet market came into common use in Singapore in the early 1970s, when the government used it to distinguish such traditional markets from the supermarkets that had become popular there. From the investigations found that the disease was caused by a newly discovered coronavirus, and the disease was subsequently named COVID-19. COVID-19 spread within China and to the rest of the world, due to which the World Health Organization declared the outbreak a public health emergency of international concern, which we all know. What is coronavirus? Coronaviruses are a family of viruses that cause illness in humans and animals. Coronaviruses are a large group of viruses. They consist of a core of genetic material surrounded by a lipid envelope with protein spikes. This gives it the appearance of crown. Crown in Latin, crown is called corona, and that's how these viruses get their name, which affects human and then later through human to human contact and through human to human transmission, this coronavirus viruses spread amongst humans. In the case of SARS, the original source was bat. MERS is another similar coronavirus which spread in the Middle East during 2012-13. The original source of that was camel. Now, what is COVID-19? So, if we see here, COVID-19, CO, which is corona, VI, virus, D as in disease, 19 is the year 2019. So, COVID-19 is coronavirus disease 2019, formerly called 2019 nCoV. NCOV. N is novel coronavirus. As they are not aware of the name, so they have given as a new coronavirus. So novel means new. So then later SARS. SARS is severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus, which found in China in the year 2003. Again, MERS, Middle East respiratory syndrome coronavirus, which is found in the year 2012 in Saudi Arabia. So this SARS-CoV they've named as SARS-CoV-2 for the latest detected virus in China in the month of December 2019. We'll see the transmission, how this virus transmitted. When an infected person coughs, sneezes, or talks, droplets or tiny particles called aerosols carry the virus into the air from their nose or mouth. Anyone who is within 6 feet of the person can breathe into their lungs. Airborne transmission. Research shows the virus can live in the air for up to 3 hours. Now we'll see. People may also become infected by touching surfaces that have been contaminated by the virus when touching their eyes, nose, or mouth. Friends, now we'll see the incubation period, which is the time taken from exposure to the virus and development of symptoms. Is an average 5 to 6 days, but can range from 1 to 14 days. Symptoms also vary mild to severe. Some people not develop any symptoms. Coming to symptoms, a common symptoms include fever, fatigue, and respiratory symptoms such as cough, sore throat, and shortness of breath. Some people reported loss of their sense of taste or smell, and some may develop a skin rash. In more severe cases, there could be pneumonia, organ failure, and sometimes death. Now we will see what is COVID-19 variant. What does it mean that there is a COVID-19 variant? So we'll see what is variant. When a virus replicates or makes copies of itself, sometimes changes a little bit, which is normal for a virus. These changes are called mutations. A virus with one or more new mutations is referred to as a variant of the original virus. So now we understood what is a variant, COVID-19 variant. Now we'll see the variants of COVID-19. First, we understood what is variant. Now we'll see how many variants available in COVID-19. So first recorded in September 2020, which is B117 in the country United Kingdom, and B1351 is a variant which is first detected in South Africa and first recorded in October 2020. And one more variant, P1, detected in Brazil, first recorded in December 2020. So we have one more variant which is B1617, first detected in India and recorded in the month of October 2020. B117, B1351, B1, B16172. This is a lot of confusion. So, yes, the World Health Organization has renamed the multiple different strains of COVID-19 circulating around the world to make them easier to understand. Under the changes, the four most concerning variants take on the first four letters of the Greek alphabets, as mentioned below. Alpha for B117, beta for B1351, gamma for P1, and delta for B1617-2. Thousands of mutations take place in the COVID virus that make the virus more transmissible. So, the virus can spread easier, and at times there are such mutations that make the virus more deadly. So, so to keep the track of the dangerous mutations of coronavirus, World Health Organization has classified these mutations into two categories. The first category is variants of interest, and the second category is variants of concern. Currently, WHO, World Health Organization, has put four variants in the variant of concern category, that is alpha, beta, gamma, and delta, which we just saw. Now, the below mentioned variants of interest, which is the other category, has already been detected in the below countries: USA, Brazil, multiple countries, Philippines, again USA, India, Peru, and from the Greek alphabets respectively, they have named it the variants to understand easily with epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, and lambda. What are the symptoms? So, as mentioned below, fever, cough, difficulty in breathing, fatigue, body aches, headache, uh, loss of taste or smell, sore throat, runny nose, vomiting, diarrhea. It differs from person to person, and the severity of COVID affected. The terms commonly used to describe the COVID-19: asymptomatic, mild, moderate, severe, critical. So the symptoms are fever ranges, incubation period, treatment, recovery process differs from each one to other. As per the latest recent updates, the total number of cases in percentage, as mentioned below, mild is 81%, moderate 14%, severe is 5% recorded. Now we see the types of tests to detect the COVID-19. So first is rapid. So rapid diagnostic test based on the host antibody detection. This test detects the process of antibodies in the blood of COVID-19 infected people. Second, RT-PCR. RT-PCR means real-time reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. So the RT-PCR test is a method of testing by taking a nozzle throat swab from a patient. It involves extracting ribonucleic acid or RNA, which is the genetic material of the virus. And the last one, antibody test. In this method of testing, blood samples are used to find antibodies. This process also detects the quantity of antibodies that are produced by the immune system. Friends, before closing the video, let's see, there are a lot of myths about coronavirus. So I'll just read it out the facts. I have the myths list with me. So starting with first one, eating meat can cause coronavirus. The fact is, the virus doesn't spread through consumption of meat, chicken, mutton, or fish, and avoiding it doesn't mean you will be safe. Myth number two, applying cow dung or consuming cow urine can cure or prevent coronavirus infection. Fact, absolutely no. There is no scientific evidence that cow dung or cow urine can cure COVID-19. Myth number three, both doses of the vaccine not required. Fact, the first shot builds protection while the second shot boosts the protection. Myth number four, I don't need the vaccine if I have been infected. Fact, still the vaccine needed. There is no research to support the lasting duration of natural immunity. Myth number five, you don't have COVID if you can hold your breath for 10 seconds without discomfort. Fact, you cannot conclude this by holding your breath for 10 seconds. Many young patients can hold their breath even longer, while elderly people can hold the breath for 10 seconds even without the infection. The only way to make sure you are not infected is to get a laboratory test done. Myth number 6. You don't need social distancing or mask after vaccination. Fact. You need to follow the COVID appropriate behavior even after you get vaccinated. Myth number 7. The vaccine has severe side effects. Fact. Few people may get short-term mild and moderate reactions to the vaccines. Myth number 8. The vaccines will cause the disease. Fact is no. At most, it can cause the fever or minor pain, but not the actual disease. Myth number 9. Everyone with COVID-19 dies. Fact. This is false. As we explained above, COVID-19 is fatal for small percentage of people who develop the illness. Myth number 10. Cats and dogs spread the coronavirus. Fact. According to the Center of Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), there is no evidence that animals play a significant role in spreading the virus that causes COVID-19. Myth number 11. Face masks always protect against the coronavirus. Fact. This helps slow the spread of the virus. Even while wearing a mask, it is essential to continue with other precautions such as not touching the face, physical distancing, and washing the hands frequently. Myth number 12. Hand dryers kill the coronavirus. Fact. Hand dryers do not kill coronavirus. Myth number 13. You can contract the coronavirus in swimming pools. Fact. As the CDC observes, there is no evidence suggests that SARS-CoV-2 transmits via the water in swimming pools or hot tubs or water parks. Myth number 14. Drinking alcohol reduces the risk of infection. Fact. The World Health Organization have released a response to the series of myths surrounding alcohol and COVID-19. They explain that while alcohol can disinfect the skin, it does not have this effect inside the body. Myth number 15. 5G helps SARS-CoV-2 spread. Fact. It is false. This is a myth. Myth number 16. Flu and pneumonia vaccines can protect against COVID-19. Fact is false. Because SARS coronavirus 2 is distinct from other viruses, no existing vaccines can protect against it. Myth number 17. You can catch the coronavirus from eating Chinese food in the US. Fact. No, you cannot. Myth number 18. Parcels from China can spread the coronavirus. Fact is false. Myth number 19. Garlic protects against coronavirus. Fact. There is no evidence that garlic can protect people from COVID-19. Myth number 20. Antibiotics kill the coronavirus. Fact. Antibiotics only kill bacteria. They do not kill viruses. Thank you all. We will meet in the next video.